de DJ.
Off to our next stop. Yay! Hi my loves and welcome back to the channel. I am so excited because this is the episode where we get married. I can't even believe I'm saying that, but I'm so excited. So we just got to the villa. We're doing like a super small, intimate wedding with just immediate family. So we're kind of turning it into a vacation, which I'm so excited about. So let's kick it off with a little house tour because this place is incredible. To get to the front door, there's this giant walkway with a beautiful seating area. That whole space is stunning, and the main floor is pretty much all open, which was such a perfect setup for a big family gathering. Some people could be sitting on the couch, some people can be in the kitchen, and everyone can hang out together. So many of the guest bedrooms have their own walkout balconies, which was so amazing because a lot of times when you stay in big Airbnbs, half the bedrooms are questionable. So it was so nice that all of our guests got their own view and their own little space to hang out and drink coffee in the mornings. A level below, there's a pool table and a hangout area which walks out directly to the 2 infinity pools. As you can see, there's so many staircases because we're on the cliff, but the basement has a super nice gym, and then even the rooms down here had beautiful views of the ocean. Definitely exceeded our expectations and was way more spacious than I thought it would be. This pool area speaks for itself. I could not imagine a better setup to just stare at the ocean, relax, lay out and tan. And then here's our room. Sorry for the shaky camera, but we had this giant walkout balcony pretty much on the rooftop. And when you look out to the left of our view, you can see the arcs, which I thought was so cool. You look down, you see the pools and ocean for days. By far the best part of this house is that they have the most amazing chefs. I can't stress it enough. They allowed us to pick out all of our meals beforehand. They went grocery shopping for us, and they're certified mixologists, so we were definitely in for a treat.
You made this for us. Turn around. And you see a little R? Rated R. Rated R.
My grandpa has always been the game master of the family, so he's been planning this huge game night for everyone in order for both families to bond, and it was honestly the perfect start to the trip.
Contestants. Nobody's gonna get hurt.
We are in teams of 2 competing for the gold.
And to no one's surprise, me and Bud brought home gold.
Good morning, you guys. Last night was our first night in the villa, and it is so beyond gorgeous, like beyond what I could have ever imagined. We're getting the most insane sunrise right now, so I'll show you guys. And today we have a busy day ahead of us, so we are doing a breakfast at the house, like a little mimosa brunch, and then we're going on a boat this afternoon, which I'm so excited about. We're gonna go through like the arcs, which I've never been over there, so I think that'll be awesome. I mean, I've never been to Cabo, to be clear, but I'm just super excited for that. And then we'll have a fun dinner tonight. I'm gonna get a little bit of movement in. I just brought a dumbbell up from the gym because the boys are down there. So I'm just gonna get like some light ab work in just to make sure I'm feeling my best throughout the day, and then we'll get right into it. Just finished getting ready and getting dressed for the day. I finally rinsed off the spray tan. I think it came out pretty nice. It's super natural. I'll link in the description the girl I used. She was so sweet, and Nobu was giving us such a hard time letting her in, but she was so patient about it and everything. Definitely check it out if you are traveling and need a little bronze. Now I'm just gonna go downstairs and hang out with the fam by the pool until breakfast, and then the boat will be here before we know it. Quick little outfit check. This top is from Pepper Mayo, and these pants are from White Fox. They're like little linen pants, super cute for just lounging around in the house. And I love the quality of this top. It feels so nice.
Ready? Ready.
Oh!
Viva Mexico!
Oh boy.
Kick it out.
Is this one spicy?
This spicy is a little bit.
It is a couple hours later and we're already getting ready for the boat. So we're doing an all white party. So we have, everyone's wearing like linen sets. The boys are wearing white linen pants. I think the pictures are gonna come out so cute. So I'm super excited. And I'm gonna wear this Aritzia dress. It's kind of like a linen fabric, but I've never worn it before, so I'm excited to try it out. We've had the most amazing day today, just laying out and relaxing by the pool. And tomorrow is already the wedding day, which is so crazy, but because we're not doing something big, we've obviously had all our family in one place for the weekend instead. And it's been truly so amazing to just spend quality time with everyone. So anyways, I'm gonna get ready real quick and then we'll be off to the boat.
Yes.
7.
Yes.
Yes.
Give it back.
Yeah, who wanna be the DJ?
Yeah, this is good. This is good. Yeah, we like this. Look at the seal. You see that?
¿Casualidad tú prendiste las luces de navegación?
Morning, you guys. It is wedding day. I'm so excited. But we were originally gonna do a morning ceremony and then kind of decided last minute that we want to do it more towards like golden hour sunset, just because of the way the sun is positioned with this house. So we had to reschedule like all the makeup and hair and everything. It's been a little stressful, but I think we got it all resolved. So they're coming at 11 and then they'll be here till 4 because like everyone's getting their hair done and everything. I am so excited. I literally have butterflies in my stomach.
Yeah.
No, mine starts.
Oh.
Get slow.
Oh my God. You look beautiful. Jordan, our journey started 2,675 days ago.
Today I get to marry my soulmate, other half, the love of my life, and most importantly, my best friend. Together we'll laugh and grow and make every moment an adventure. You are my better half and my very best friend.
I am forever yours.
We come together today as witnesses to join Joe and Jordan in marriage. As a dad, you always hope that your kids will find people that they love and who love them. And Joey, I'm so happy to have you as a son-in-law. In the eyes of these loved ones, and with the power vested in me by the Sunshine State of Florida, I am so happy to pronounce you husband and wife.
Then our chefs made us one of the best dinners I've ever had in my entire life. We were all just overflowing with gratitude and so present. Good morning from the married couple. How was yesterday?
The best day. You couldn't have scripted it any better.
Beyond anything we could have ever dreamed of. It was so amazing. Highly recommend having a small intimate wedding with your family.
So today's activity, we're taking the family to Flora Farms to do a full salsa creation.
It's like a cooking class, I think, and we're doing like a tour of the farm.
Yes.
And we'll take you guys along with, and then we have a super nice lunch there, and we'll pop
we're doing lunch there. It's farm to table, so they have a full cooking area and then drinks.
Yep. It's gonna be another great day. Let's get right into it.
They show the bling bling.
Bang bang. This spot was about a 45-minute drive from our villa in the Pedregal, so it was beautiful to be able to see the different areas like downtown that we haven't even gone to yet. Our drivers were also so friendly and gave us a little tour and answered so many of our questions. Wow.
God, Jesus Christ. Good. Very nice. Needs tahini.
There's turtles? Oh, yes. That's the hibiscus lemonade, homemade lemonade, and some kind of
infused water.
yeah. Beautiful. There's my grandparents. After giving us our little welcome drinks, our tour guide took us all around the farm, gave us a little background, and showed us all the beautiful plants. I was seriously blown away by how big this place was. Quick little outfit check. So we're about to make some salsas, guac, and a lunch. Oh yeah, first we're having a farmerita. On today's agenda, we're making 2 different kinds of salsas and some guacamole. The first one is a charred habanero pepper salsa, and the other is a pico de gallo. We're also learning so many different techniques about how to chop different veggies and just little things I wouldn't have known, like little tricks to know when an avocado is actually ready and why it's so important to use the molcajete. And because we're doing a whole lunch today, we're making our own tortillas.
Okay. Now, Mirna is gonna make the demonstration.
Vamos a dar esta forma
It's like a little medal.
para colocarla en la
See?
prensa.
And we're gonna.
What is the gabagool?
Wait, what kind of fish is it? Sea
bass.
Sea bass?
Are we?
That whole experience was truly perfect for the whole family. We absolutely loved it. I highly recommend checking out Flora Farms if you are going to Cabo. Then we walked around the whole front area, which has a bunch of shops, a little space to make perfumes, a farmer's market, some farm-to-table restaurants, and lots of different animals. Good morning, you guys. It is already our last morning here, which I'm so sad about. This has been the most amazing vacation probably of my entire life, and this was actually my first time in Cabo. I've been to Mexico a bunch of times, but we always go to like the Cancun, Cozumel side just because it's easier to travel to from Florida, but it was definitely worth the extra travel time. We had the most amazing time. I would 100% recommend Flora Farms. It's kind of weird to get to and like in the middle of nowhere, but there is so much to do there. We never really went into like the downtown area, but we did go to the marina for the boat day, so we kind of drove through it. But I would definitely recommend chartering a boat. There's so many different options, and it's such a good way to see Cabo and like see the arcs over here and just be out on the water. And then this area that we're staying in is called the Pedregal, and it has like so many different houses on the cliffs. It's the most beautiful neighborhood, and we felt super safe the entire time. It's a gated community and everything, so that's a great location to stay if you don't want to stay in one of the resorts. But anyways, I just finished my little sunrise yoga. I love to get some stretching in on the days that I know we're going to be traveling, and sitting all day, it just makes me feel so much better. I'm gonna have my coffee, and then we have one last breakfast before the transportation comes to take us to the airport. So I'm probably going to end the vlog here, but I hope you loved this video, and I will see you in the next one.